Do you want to delete your Facebook account? So you are on the right place. So stay with me to the very end of the video. In this video, I'm just going to teach you how you can easily delete your Facebook account permanently. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, open up your Facebook, and then after that, just go to the menu to open up the settings, and then just click on that gear to open up further, and then just after that just click on see more in account centers, and then after that go to your personal details, and then just select account ownership and control, and then select deactivation or deletion, and then select your Facebook account. And then here are the options. If you want to deactivate your account, so select the first option. If you want to delete your account, so select the second option. I'm just selecting the second option, and then further click on continue. And then here just you have to choose an option, or you can choose anyone which you like. I'm just selecting the first one, and then further click on continue, and then after that click on continue again, and then come down and again click on continue, and again here give your password. And then click on continue. And so this is the very final step of this process. If you click on this delete account, your account will be hidden from Facebook for 30 days. Within 30 days you can reactivate it by just simply logging it again, and if you didn't log in it again, it will be permanently deleted from the Facebook. So thanks to watching the video. That was the tutorial of today's, and please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thanks guys.